Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Link. The Chainlink chart is currently following forecast for still lower prices. We should be in the late stages, ideally, of this correction. But technically, this correction has space all the way down to $6.90 without really significantly reducing the likelihood of a bullish outcome. So there's still plenty of room. Could still easily drop like 40 to 50% or something. Because the invalidation point is the 2023 low. That's the invalidation point. Yeah. What we're tracking here still is a 5-wave move up into the March high 2024, 3 waves down in A, high B, and a C wave down. So we have this A, B, C structure in a B wave. B waves can be deep, though. If it's a wave 2, it shouldn't break below 690 really. B waves can even form double bottoms. The thing is, it's not expected to be the white scenario. So if anything, it should be the yellow scenario, in which the next rally should be the last one of this cycle. I know it doesn't feel like it. And also, as I can tell you, we were still watching for lower prices and potentially a test here of the $11 area, yeah, 1070, the 50% retracement. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame, but that $11 target was mentioned already days ago. So, for example, one of the updates we sent through a few days ago for our members, here, it still appears likely that the price will reach the $11 area. And the blue scenario, which was the bullish one, here, price was still at 1270, is speculative. So it's currently going according to script. I can remove that blue B wave low, and we're heading towards that 1070 to $11 area. The wave count to the downside is now very full. I can identify from this B wave high that formed in December 2024, yeah, five waves down, right? So that doesn't mean a reversal basically has to happen, yeah, but it does mean that we have to be, now we can be watching for a reverse. I mean, before, any low can be the last one, but this here did still look incomplete. We hadn't even reached Fibonacci support here on the 11th of March, 10th of March, and the rally was only in 3 waves. Now, with a 3-wave rally, it typically leaves the door open for lower prices, which is also why I said it still appears to be heading to $11. And I'm not saying $11 has to be, where it turns around, but it is the next level to watch. And it was the most probable outcome to get there. And now we'll have to pay attention to these 2 fib levels. And if we break below these, then 890 to 860 would be next. That would also still be covered by the larger degree scenarios, no problem. So for me, at the moment, the local trend remains down. It would minimally take a break at, I would say at least above the April high here at around $14.40 for a first indication that a low has formed. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.